everyone. So we're going to be talking about blood types today. This will be a really quick video. There's 4 blood types, A, B, AB, and O. And then within each of those, you can be either positive or negative. So we're going to talk about what all of this means. So basically, your body has antigens on the red blood cells, and you have either A antigens or B antigens or neither if you are type O blood. So antigens are substances that will make your immune system respond or kind of attack. They're sugars. So in this picture right here, these like little green circle things are supposed to represent the antigens. Now, for every antigen, there is an antibody. So the antibody is the protein that is going to attack that antigen. So the way it works, if you have B antigens on your blood, that means you have a B blood type. You will not have anti-B antibodies because those would attack your blood. Instead, you will have anti-A antibodies. So that means your body would attack A-type blood, which is why it's really important that if you get blood from someone, you get the right type, because if not, your body could start to attack it. So here's the way it works. If you have type A blood, you're going to have the A antigens and the B antibodies. Type B blood would have the B antigens and the A antibodies. Type AB blood has both the A and B antigens, but it doesn't have any antibodies. So a type AB blood, that person is what we call a universal receiver. So they can get any type of blood and it won't hurt them because their body doesn't have antibodies that will attack it. The type O blood does not have any antigens, but it has both antibodies. So A and B antibodies. And type O we would call the universal donor, because anybody can have type O blood, but if you are a type O person, you have to have type O blood. You can't have any other kind of blood or else your body will attack it. Okay. Agglutination is a term we use for when red blood cells clump together. We look for this type of a reaction to figure out what type of blood something is. So when you're in class, whenever you're in class, we're going to actually test blood types. So you're going to get a sample of blood and you're going to test it with 2 antibody serums. So like those are just fluids that have the antibodies. So if you have type A blood, it will agglutinate or like cloud up or get kind of more solid with the A antibody serum, but not with the B antibody serum. And type B blood would agglutinate with the B antibody serum, but not with the A antibody serum. Type AB blood would agglutinate with both of them, and type O blood would agglutinate with neither of them. So whenever you're in class, you'll get to test that. Okay, and then finally, just to help you understand what the positive and negative thing means, that has to do with something called the rhesus factor. And this is a different protein on the red blood cell. If you have this protein, then you're positive, Rh positive. If you don't, then you're Rh negative. And you can test for this in the same way that you test for AB, and O blood types. So hopefully that makes sense. And we'll see you in class when we'll get to try this.